What up guys, you're welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'll be teaching you how to start forex trading as a complete beginner, right? Because I've received a lot of emails, right? A lot of messages that guides show us how to start trading, right? But in today's video you are possibly at the right place, because this is basically for my students, but I choose to post it right here so that a lot of people will get to see the video and learn how to trade immediately. So after this video you'll possibly know how to place your first trade, right, as a complete beginner. So make sure you sit tight and watch the video to the very end, because this is a complete masterclass and it's completely free. And if you want me to take you on one-on-one class, right, my email is right at the description, right? I have paid class, right, and I have free beginner class that will guide you through becoming a successful forex trader. I know you want to start touching that color of cash that a lot of guys are touching, right? Possibly you might see one or two guys driving a Lamborghini. My guy, just calm down, because it's a process, and that is the process we are going to start with right away. So right here, what is forex trading? Forex trading is the buying and selling of currencies to profit from their changing value, right? Forex trading is foreign exchange, right? Let me break it down. For instance, you are traveling from one country to another country, or from your country to another country, right? You know, you won't be able to use your currency in that other country, right? So you need to change that your country currency to the destination currency that you're possibly going to, right? That is forex trading in the physical form. So this other forex trading is done online, understood? Let me just call it an online foreign exchange. Over $7 trillion is being spent every day in the forex market. Is the most volatile financial market in the world. So what are you waiting for? It is time for you to get into the market and tap from the over $7 trillion that is going down the forex market every single day. I'm understood. So currencies are traded in pair, right? We have Euro USD, right? Like your country currency to the destination currency, and has been traded in pair, right? You are selling one, you're making money. You are buying one, you are also making money. All you just need is a right strategy, right mindset, and hit the market and keep making some color of money every single time. Now you need to know one particular thing before we dive right into it, right? Coming into the forex market is not a get quick rich scheme that, or you just come today and make some thousands of dollars and get out of the market. It's not done like that. It's a process, it's a skill. So if you want to follow the process, right, all you just need to do is subscribe to the channel, because I will be taking you in process to become a successful forex trader. Join my trading community. The link is right at the description. So this is a process and the step-by-step guide to your success in the forex market, right? Or before you start trading, there are things that you need, because a lot of people have been saying, I don't have a laptop, right, or I don't have a tab. But let me tell you something. Once your phone can possibly download these trading platforms that I'm about to mention, then you are good to go. You need a broker, right, which I'll be walking you through everything step by step on how to get started. Right, before we download a broker, let me break down what broker really is. A broker is your online bank where you will put the money for distribution, right, to buy and to sell currencies. Am I understood? Now you also need a trading platform. That is where MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 comes in. So once your phone is capable of downloading the broker MetaTrader 5 or 4, we are good to go. That is all you need. I'm understood. And if you don't have that kind of good smartphone, you can possibly download all of these in your laptop, because some people have laptop, they don't have a good phone, while some people have a good phone, they don't have a laptop, right? Why you need a laptop is for better analysis, and why you need a larger screen like this is for better analysis. Before the end of this video, as I said earlier, you will start making some color of money. This is a process. Am I understood? So first thing first, all you need to do right now is to go over to your Play Store or to your App Store and download SNES. SNES is a broker I use, and the link is right at the description. Once you go download SNES from my link, it will give you a lot of discount. They will give you 50% discount, right, because you use my link to download SNES, right? And that will be so very, very cool for you to get started with. And go over to your Play Store, right, or go over to your App Store, search for SNES, or you use the link at the description. I'm understood. But let me possibly show you the picture and how it looks like. As you can see, this is SNES right here. And first and first, you can just go ahead and install SNES. Go ahead and still search for MetaTrader 5 or MT5. Once you have them downloaded, all you need to do is to log into your trading account. Go ahead and click on the platform, right? Create account. As a new trader, all you need is to create a demo account, which will enable you to start practicing before you credit with cash. If you click this button right here, you will see a real account and demo account. The same market that move in the demo account, that is the same market that move in a real account. But what makes it different is your emotions. Am I understood? Your emotion play you a lot when you are using real account. You might be winning on demo account back to back, but when you get to the real account, you will find it difficult to win a trade, and that has happened to so many people. Go ahead and create a demo account, a standard account. So go ahead, click it and click continue. Go ahead and create a new password, and here is your demo account. So go ahead and deposit cash in your demo account. Instead of starting with $50, I will possibly advise you to deposit like $4,000 in your demo account. Aside from this, when you have gotten a lot of confidence in your demo account, you have built strategy on your demo account, all you need to do is to create a sent account. We are coming right to that. So go ahead and continue, or you now have $4,000 on your demo account. I'm understood. So you can start trading. Now you need to link your broker, right, which is your SNES, to your MT5, and a lot of people don't know how to do that. So I'm still going to show you that. And if you possibly find value in the video, all I want you to do right now, smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So go ahead right now to your MetaTrader 5. So first to first, click on the menu and click manage account. Come to this plus button right here, click on the plus button, right? Go to your broker and click on details, right? Once you click on details, bring you to this first page right here. All you need to do, go to settings, right? Then copy the SNES MT5 trial 9. Then go back to your MT5, right? Go ahead and paste it right there. As you can see, it pop up SNES technology. Click on SNES technology, right? And it will bring you to this place right here. If it is a real account, you can go on and click on real account, but it's a trial account, so just leave it the way it is. Then go back to your SNES, right? Go ahead and copy the login. Then go back to your MT5, right? And paste it right here. Am I understood? So now, in the password that you generated earlier, go ahead and put in the password. As you can see, everything has showed up right here, $4,000. And if you go to your SNES, that's the same thing that is actually there, right? Your $4,000 on your demo account. So that is how to link your SNES, right, to your MT5. Very, very important. Smash the like button. If you've not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now let me show you how to place your first trade and start making some cool lot of money in the forex market. Am I understood? So first and first, go back to your MT5. Go back to your MT5, right, and come to quote. Now, as you can see right here, you will see some currencies that you don't understand. You don't even know them. They are not valid and they are not even working, right? All you need to do is to edit these currencies right here. As a beginner, I will show you the currencies that you need to start with. Very, very important. So go ahead and click on the pen too. The mark button up here, go ahead and click it, and they will mark all those currency pairs. So all you need to do right here, go ahead and click on the plus button, and first currency pair that you need to add is Euro USD, right? Go ahead and add it up. Go with GBP, JPY. Go ahead and add it up. Then go ahead and add GBP USD. Alright, these are the currencies that you need to have in mind. As a new trader, I would possibly advise you master one currency pair. If you click on chart, your chart will pop up. As you can see, here is your chart right here. Then where are you possibly starting from? Now, if you look to the right, you will see buy. If you look to the left, you will see sell. If you are buying, you are making money, as I said earlier. If you are selling, you are also making money, as I said earlier. But you need to know one particular thing: where am I starting from? And possibly go ahead and watch my remaining videos where I show you guys how to analyze the chart patterns you need. So you need to stick to the channel. Don't go anywhere. As you can see, here is your time frame. If you come over here, we have 1 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, 15 minute time frame, up to a month time frame. All you need to do as a beginner trader, you need to start from 4-hour time frame to learn how to be patient for market to play out. Some big traders are swing traders. So in this way, we have swing traders, we have scalpers, we have day traders. Start by being a swing trader, then you can probably switch to a day trader. Am I understood? In that way, you will learn the market structure and learn the strategy very, very well. Am I understood? Let's go ahead and place a trade, and let me show you how to possibly manage your trade. Now, if you come over to trade, right, you will see your balance, you will see your equity, you will see your free margin, right? If you come to history, that is where you will see the history of your previous trades. When you are done with your analysis, right, or you might just predict that, okay, this market, right, or this price is going up, click on buy, right? If you click on buy, you can see a line showing a blue line over there. If you come to your chart, as you can see, we are already in profit, right? We are already in profit. That's just as simple as that. But you have to know one thing: this price might choose to revise on me anytime. That is where stop loss and take profit comes in. Or for instance, I am busy, I don't want to constantly keep monitoring the market, or I don't want to focus much in the market, right? All I just need to do right now, I'll just apply my stop loss and my take profit. When I am in loss, it will take me out automatically, and when I am in profit, when it gets to where I place it will possibly take me out automatically. Am I understood? If you click on the blue line, or you will see some alphabet down below, you will see close. Close mean you are closing the trade. Am I understood? Then SL mean that is your stop loss, right? And TP means take profit. I'm understood. So you can possibly go ahead and click on your SL. As you're taking it up, the number is counting, right? As you're moving it, you can see some numbers reading, right? Or you can possibly say, okay, in this trade that I place, I want to lose 1 to 2% per trade. Then if you click on the TP, or you will see a green line, I will not say, okay, when it gets to this particular place right here, it should take me out. Go ahead and click on the blue arrow and modify. At this point, I can place a trade and sleep and forget that I placed a trade. I'm understood? Once it gets to my loss, it will take me out. Once it gets to my take profit, it will close the trade. I'm understood? Once you forget to put your stop loss, right, you are in a high danger in such a way that it will not take you out because you did not activate the SL or the stop loss. So it might end up piling up losses for you. Once you wake up, you might have seen yourself in a very massive loss. At the same time, if you forget to put your TP, it might get to a certain place and choose to revise on you. This is the foundation that you need to start. So as you can see, as I said earlier, we are already in profit, and if I should leave it like this, we are going to be in profit back to back.